How to make and create a business Facebook post easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to canva.com and log in your account, click on create a design, search for Facebook, click on Facebook post, and now go to this side and scroll down like this until you find Facebook business post. And here is it. Now click see all, choose a template that you want, and you can now edit the picture and everything from here. As you can see, very easy and fast. After you finish, click share and download. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.